Hi everyone. Let's discuss a question from the chapter Work Power Energy, which is asked in JEE Main 2014. The question says, a spring of unstretched length L has a mass M and one end is fixed to a rigid support. Assuming spring to be made of uniform wire, a kinetic energy possessed by its free end is when it is pulled with the velocity v. We have to calculate the kinetic energy. So we know that kinetic energy is given by the formula half mv square. Now this is a uniform spring. Let's say mass per unit length of the spring is m by L. For a small portion dx, mass will be m by L into dx. Now, if spring moves by a distance of x, say x, then velocity per unit, if velocity per unit is length is v by L, given the spring is uniform, then velocity for x distance will be v by L into x. Now, kinetic energy equal to half mv square. This is the spring. It is stretched to a length L. It is with a velocity v. So, we can calculate the total kinetic energy by integrating from 0 to L. M is m by L into dx v square, where v is v by L into x whole square. We can take the constants outside. It is m v square by L cube, 1 by 2 is there. Integral from 0 to L, remaining term is x square dx. Integral of x square dx is x cube by 3. Now, applying limit, it will become L cube by 3. So, it will be 1 by 6. L cube and L cube divides to give 1 mv square. So the kinetic energy we have obtained as 1 by 6 mv square. Now let's go for the options. So D is the right answer. To know more about the concept of kinetic energy, you can watch the video here, and also you can go through books Concept of Physics by H.C. Verma and Understanding Physics Volume 1 by D.C. Pandey. Thank you.